When you win any kind of a rare prize or collectible or skin, whatever, something in a video game that you're playing, there's definitely one thing that you don't want to do. Stop your game and sign for it. Yet somehow, for some reason, we've accepted this as a default part of blockchain gaming. But it doesn't have to be this way. There is a new wallet out there made specifically for gamers, and with it you can manage payments all while playing. And you don't need to be signing and confirming 87 or more small transactions as you play. Let's talk about xRaise wallet. Welcome to the channel. My name is Maddie and this is Altcoin Buzz. All the best of luck if you choose to invest. Just remember that I'm not a financial or investment advisor, and as such, this video, as you know, is not official financial or investment advice. To kick things off, I think we can probably all agree that gaming with Metamask kind of sucks. Because seriously, one of the worst parts of blockchain gaming is that you're playing and having fun. That part's fine. But then just as your quest is suddenly going smoothly, you need to access something. And then everything in the game is interrupted for your Metamask browser pop up to view, sign, and of course, confirm the transaction. That is no fun. That's a horrible design feature, like I said, that we've just kind of accepted now as being default in blockchain gaming. And yes, while Rabby is a better and more secure wallet, it's really not much better when it comes to this particular use case and this particular problem, this interruption that we keep encountering as gamers. xRaise is a zkSync wallet built specifically for gaming. That's because xRaise is a smart contract and gaming wallet built with the user in mind. And even though it was first built for gamers, there is also a Wallet Connect integration available as well. So that means you can use the wallet in any zkSync ecosystem app, which is to say, of course, it is not just for games. Now, the beta testing for their mainnet started only a couple of weeks ago. You can see that here from zkSync's own Twitter account. And we've talked about account abstraction before. You know it can make using a wallet easier and, of course, safer, very importantly. You can interact with a smart contract without needing to manage your private keys, essentially. Plus, it's safer than standard so-called external account interacting with a smart contract. You get increased flexibility and safety at the same time. So, of course, it's amazing for gamers. And zkSync already provides native account abstraction. But for gamers, that interruption of your browser wallet taking up 30% of your screen and forcing you to stop playing, all of that goes away. xRaise calls it session keys, and with a session key, you can approve the game-related transactions once in advance, and then you can play your entire session without wallet-based interruptions, meaning you can easily buy, sell, or if you want, trade your in-game assets with a couple of clicks within the game. And you can even use the AA to onboard and set up your gaming wallet only with your email address. But the most important part is that it doesn't make setting up or using your xRaise gaming wallet any more difficult. In contrast, it actually makes it easier. You can get all of this convenience, and don't forget, it's safer than Metamask as well. And there's even a social recovery system for recovering your wallet if you need to do that too. As I said earlier, you can use this wallet with any zkSync ecosystem app. So that means you're going to be able to use it for DeFi or any of the other great apps out there. But once again, the wallet is very much made with gamers in mind, and xRaise facilitated over 30,000 gaming transactions just in this last week. It's starting to really catch on. And so right now, I'll walk you through a couple of other very big features that this wallet has that truly do help gamers game exactly how they want. And we start here with Paymaster. A Paymaster is a common term in conventional legacy finance. It's a person that pays people, very simply. But in the Web 2 world, where we have to trust big entities that we really don't trust, paymasters are important. So, for example, escrow companies are paymasters. They ensure assets or asset titles are sent and received, and then payments are made for that asset, right? And so the xRaise wallet has a paymaster feature as well. Unlike in legacy markets where you have to trust someone else, with the paymaster feature here, it really means flexibility for you, for the user. You can pay the gas fees with whatever token you have available, not only the network token. And then think about that, because for gamers, this is invaluable. With the Paymaster feature, you can pay gas while you're playing in any compatible token. And that means the option of paying in stable coins or really whatever you may have. You don't have to stop playing to reload a gas token if you don't want to. Instead, you can use USDC or USDT, again, if that's what you have. This is a major piece of convenience here for gamers in particular, but really also for anyone who may choose to use this wallet. And lastly, we have the auto transfer. You can set up and pre-program payments for subscriptions or even in-game expenses. And you can also pre-program payments like payroll, again, if using for treasury management. But once again, the payment is assigned and made without you having to stop playing to execute it. It integrates with Unity games and Unreal Engine-based games as well. Gamers, of course, are going to love these benefits from using the xRaise wallet. More than 5,000 of you, in fact, have already signed up to try the beta wallet version already. If you are in any way a blockchain gamer that can benefit from this functionality, or you just want to join the 5,000 plus people who have already requested access to try this wallet, then go to this link. I'm going to include this in the description below and click on Request Access Today.
And so if this market pulls back hard under this level and then consolidates and comes back, we're likely to sell and stall.